Hey guys, I'm Coach Tim with Independent MMA in Newnan, Georgia. If you're watching this video, you want to learn how to fight and you are a beginner or intermediate skill level. So we're going to break it down from top to bottom of basic punches, basic combinations, how to stand, how to punch, and why you do certain things. So the first thing we're going to talk about is our stance. If I'm right-handed, I want my rear foot in the back. So I'm going to step, if I'm standing square, I'm going to step back about a full step. I want both of my feet underneath my hips. So if I was going to jump, I'd feel very powerful. And from here, guys, it's really important I don't stand tall, and it's really important I'm not bent over. I want a slight bend in my knees so I'm able to move back and forth. It's really important that your feet are moving from this position here. Next is hands. Hands are super important. So when I'm in my fighting stance, I'm centered, my knees are bent, I've got a little bounce in my knees and hips, elbows come straight up, guys. Elbows are in tight, hands are up, and chin is tucked. One of the biggest mistakes I see people use when they're fighting is their hands down, or one is down, and they're moving their head backwards, they're going off balance. So it's really important, your chin is down. I want to almost like if I have sunglasses on and I'm looking over top of the sunglasses, that's what I want you to imagine with your hands. Elbows are not wide. Elbows are wide. It forces me to use little muscles to punch, and I'm giving people big opportunity to attack my organs. So hands up, chin down, elbows in tight. Now we're going to go over the basic punches. So the basic punch, the most important one is your jab. Straight punch. Straight punch. Different angles. Straight punch. This one is going to be your most often used punch, and it's going to be the punch that you're using to keep your people off balance or to set up your combinations. Number two is your cross. This is your entry level, your first power punch. I'm going to turn on my rear feet. It's a longer punch coming in. Notice how both of my shoulders stay up to protect my chin. Different angles. This one is a little longer than my right, and it keeps it really strong. Number three is your lead hook. I'm a right-handed fighter, so I put my power in the back. So with my lead hook, it's going to be a slight turn, and I'm coming out here. I like throwing with my thumb up like Fonzie, make a fist, so I know I can hit with the majority of the knuckles, and I want my elbow the same height as my fist. This is a power punch that works really good in close range. Fourth punch, rear uppercut. As I'm doing this one, same stance, hands up, chin down, elbows in tight, bend in my knees, slight pull, boom, uppercut right down the middle. I want to go right in between his gloves, his hands, slight lean, boom, right up the middle, boom. Different angle, boom. So those are your four basics. Now we're going to go into 5 basic boxing combinations. Number one, double jab. Hands up, chin down, elbows in tight, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Number two, jab cross. Step in with my jab, and then I throw my cross. Boom, boom. Number three, cross, hook, cross. Cross, hook, cross. Very good power combination when they're close. Cross, hook, cross. Number four, hook, cross. Slight turn, hook, cross. This works really well when your opponent or your guy you're fighting is moving away from you. Hook, cross. Hook, cross. Number 5 is when you're really, really in tight. Uppercut, hook, cross. This starts in tight and pushes them back. Uppercut, hook, cross. Uppercut, hook, cross. Uppercut, hook, cross. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me for more.